1983 Honda C90. In need of some restoration work, recommissioning, or whatever you want to call it. Hasn't been on the road for a number of years. Mileage 29,000, which obviously can't be guaranteed. Leg shield's in very good condition. All complete. Classic Honda problems are touched up on the back. Where there could have been a problem with a crack in the frame. However, fairly solid, so shouldn't cause too much of an issue, but would recommend that the bike is resprayed. Engine is free. Further examination all in all, good little restoration project for sale. Also has things like the rear racks, which are very difficult to get hold of now.